Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing hair growth oil. If you're struggling with hair loss, hair thinning, are you losing your edges? Do you have a bald spot? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best treatment to help you get rid of all those problems. As well as this, it will help you to grow your hair thicker, faster and longer. So if you're interested, grab a seat and let's get into it. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is ginger. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to wash the ginger, then I'm going to cut it into little chunks. Ginger is amazing for our hair. Ginger helps to improve the circulation of the scalp while stimulating the follicles, which promote healthy hair growth. It contains many benefits such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acid. Ginger also contributes to strengthening the hair strand and to fight against hair loss. It's also amazing to restore moisture loss. Now I'm going to add the ginger into the blender. So if you're still watching yet you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press the red button. Don't forget to press the notification bell for future upload. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is cloves. If you guys have been following me on this channel, you would definitely know I'm the queen of cloves. When it comes to clove, I'm the queen. I practically use clove for everything. Like, cloves is amazing when it comes to growing your hair. It really does work. You just need to be patient and be consistent, and you definitely see a dramatic change in your hair growth. Cloves is amazing when it comes to protecting the scalp from dandruffs, which is a major cause of weak and thin hair. It's amazing at growing your hair really fast and strengthening the hair. So you can see the two ingredients are very powerful and have similar benefits. And when they are put together, they are going to give you the best result ever. The next thing I'm going to add is olive oil. Olive oil helps to seal and moisturize your hair strand, which keep your hair hydrated and protect against breakage. It can also help prevent dandruffs and also dry itchy scalp. So I'm going to be adding olive oil to the two ingredients, which are ginger and cloves. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend both ingredients together. After blending, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a pan. Then I'm going to transfer the mixture into the pan. So I'm going to be adding more olive oil to the mix. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the cooker. Make sure the cooker is on a low heat. Make sure you don't burn it, as you're going to lose all the nutrients. So I'm going to allow it to cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. On this channel, I do DIY video that can help you grow your hair. So it's been 10 minutes and it's time to turn off the cooker and set the mixture aside to cool down. So it's about 20 minutes and it's all cooled down, and it's time to strain the oil out. You can use anything that you have to strain the oil out. This treatment will help you grow your hair faster. It can also help you to prevent hair loss, shedding, dry scalp, itchy scalp, and also dandruffs. After straining the oil out, this is how it looks like. Then I'm going to go ahead and add vitamin E. This will help with the lifespan of the oil. I also add Jamaican black castor oil to the mixture. I lost the footage, so if you have Jamaican black castor oil, go ahead and add it to the oil as well. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. Then I'm going to transfer it to my applicator bottle. Jamaican black castor oil will help moisturize your hair. It will help thickening and strengthening your hair, and also it will help your hair to grow rapidly. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your hair and your scalp. So as you can see, the hair is very dry, so I'm going to apply clove water. Then I'm going to section the hair into 4 places so that it can be easy for me to apply the oil to the scalp. When applying this treatment, make sure you apply it to a clean hair or a washed hair. So I'm just going to go in by applying my leave-in conditioner. You can apply any leave-in conditioner of your choice. Guys, whenever you are applying any treatment to your hair, you need to concentrate on the problem area as well as the ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair are the oldest parts, so they definitely need TLC. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to apply my moringa and fenugreek hair growth butter. So if you want to know how I made this moringa and fenugreek hair growth butter, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the ginger and clove oil. Then I'm going to go in and massage the scalp really well. So guys, if you're struggling from bald spots, thinning hair, you're losing your edges and you're losing your hair, apply this clove and ginger oil to the problem area, and don't forget to massage. You definitely need to massage that problem area, because massaging the scalp promotes hair growth. Okay, so take your time and massage the problem area. As I said before, this treatment is going to help you with thinning hair, hair fall, hair breakage, and any scalp issues. So make sure to give this a go. After applying the clove and the ginger oil, always make sure you put your hair in a protective style. This is the only way to seal in moisture and to stop hair breakage. Leaving your hair out will only cause breakage and it will dry out your hair. So make sure you always put your hair in a simple protective style. Try not to manipulate your hair if you're trying to grow your hair, okay? So stay away from trending hairstyles that can easily break your hair. Put your hair in a protective style, a simple protective style. That's the only way you're going to grow your hair and you're going to retain length. You will hardly see my kids or myself in braids or box braid or any extension added to our hair, because it breaks hair really quick, especially your front edges. Okay, so I don't put my hair or my kids' hair in braids or anything like that. The only thing you see my kids' hair or my hair is chunky twist. That's the only thing that will grow your hair, and it would not put so much stress on your edges. Once I'm done putting the hair in a protective style, I usually like to apply the oil again, because now I can see the scalp clearly. So guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys have given this video a thumbs up already, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, bye.